Getting from MDMK, which has laid siege to Malaysian consulate in Chennai. This after the leader Vaiko was denied permission to enter Malaysia. Massive security has been deployed against around the Malaysian consulate in Chennai. MDMK chief will be sent back to India tonight. It is on the invitation of the Malaysian officials that Vaiko had gone there to attend wedding of Malaysian official's daughter, but he was denied entry where the Malaysian authorities cited his links with the LTTE. And now, after Malaysian government has termed him inimical to the interest of the nation, he's set to come back. My colleague Akshita getting us this report.
MDMK workers have come together right outside the Malaysian consulate here in Chennai. You can see right next to me the kind of people, the protesters who've gathered here at Cenotaph Road in Chennai. This is with regards to Vaiko being deported from Malaysia. Remember, he wasn't allowed to enter the country. He's now on his way back to Chennai, and workers from the party have come together to send across a message saying that he is unfairly being targeted. They are demanding that this kind of a ban really on Vaiko be removed and that he be allowed to visit Malaysia as well. There's no doubt that once Vaiko lands here in Chennai, there'll be huge drama over this particular issue. Already, MDMK has made it very clear that this is going to become a huge political face-off as well here in Tamil Nadu. A massive security presence here. We understand that there are barricades put in place completely ensuring that these protesters don't get to go anywhere near the consulate premises. The consulate is just meters away from where we're standing right now, but the police is ensuring that they are restricted to one particular corner, and if the numbers swell up, there is of course the chance of them also being detained. Right now protests are largely peaceful. You see all these workers who've come together holding up flags and banners, slamming and condemning what happened this morning in Malaysia when Vaiko wasn't allowed into the country. He's now been deported back. He's en route back to Chennai. He'll land tonight at about 10:30. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, this is Akshita Nandagopal in Chennai for India Today.
My colleague Akshita is now joining us. Akshita, as Vaiko has been shunted, we're looking at the report that you'd sent us. What's the situation at the moment? Is it only going to be an MDMK fight, or there are other political parties joining in?
Well, I want to quickly show you what's happening right now. Slogans being raised by MDMK workers who've gathered in huge numbers right ahead of the Malaysian consulate. They've of course been stopped meters ahead by the police here, barricaded completely to one corner, but they're ensuring that they send their message across, Devina. They're all holding up flags and questioning the fact that their chief, Vaiko, was stopped from entering Malaysia, as you pointed out, is allegedly due to his alleged LTTE links, but they are saying that he is unfairly being targeted. These protests have been going on for the last half an hour, and the police are all set to now detain these workers if things go out of hand. This entire area has been completely blocked off. As I also mentioned earlier in my report, Vaiko will be landing tonight, and there's no doubt that this issue is going to become a huge, political fight. There are a couple of other regional parties who also extended their support to Vaiko, saying that, he is being targeted for no reason. These are alleged remarks that he's made, is his contention at this point, and that's why he's questioned this particular move. The MDMK has gathered here, and they are maintaining that they will continue their protest outside the Malaysian consulate here in Chennai. Their message is very, very clear, Devina. This isn't the first time it's happened to Vaiko, and they're maintaining that this is unnecessary, this is unfair, and this kind of targeting won't be tolerated. They're also demanding for all regional parties to join their fight, because they claim that Vaiko is being targeted simply because he is a Tamilian and no other reason. So of course we'll have to wait and watch to see how this politically develops. For now, this is Cenotaph Road in Chennai, which has completely been sealed off. MDMK workers have gathered here. There's a police van on standby as well in case things go out of hand to detain all these workers. Meters away is where the Malaysian consulate is, and you can see the kind of security here. The entire area has been left completely barricaded, no vehicular movement being allowed. The protesters also have been pushed into and restricted into one particular corner. If they do try to push forward, that's when of course we will see the protest clamping, we'll see the police really clamping down on these protests. But this issue has really escalated. It's become a huge political problem here, Devina, because we have to keep in mind that this is happening just a few weeks. It's almost been just about 1.5 weeks since Vaiko walked out of the Pural jail. This is after, remember, he volunteered to go to jail over the exact same thing, over his alleged remarks on the LTT, which was a case that was going on for the last many years. He had volunteered to go to jail. He asked for bail, got bail, came out, and once again it looks like this issue continues to haunt him here in Tamil Nadu. He went to Malaysia to attend a wedding but was stopped upon reaching the airport. He's now back. He's now on his way back, so he'll reach at about 10:30 tonight. And at the airport, to MDMK workers are made it clear that they will gather to welcome back their leader and say that they will carry forward his fight.
All right, Akshita, also tell us how many MDMK workers are protesting on the ground at the moment, and as I mentioned, do they want to take this matter now up with the centre as well? Because after all, it will be the diplomatic channels between India and Malaysia which will have to work out whether Vaiko can be allowed to enter Malaysia next or not.
That's right, and that's exactly what they're saying at this point, Devina, that, this kind of an incident should not happen again. There are roughly about 35 to 40 workers who've gathered here. In fact, these protests are only expected to swell up in the coming hours because these workers are making it very clear that they will not budge till they get some sort of response from the necessary authorities. This isn't the first time, Vaiko has been embroiled in a controversy over his alleged remarks over the LTT. So they are claiming that this kind of, a diplomatic clampdown on him is very unfair, especially when these remarks, have not been proven. They're saying that, he never made these kind of statements, and he's been battling this particular issue for so many years now, Devina, and once again it's becoming a huge issue. Let's also speak to some of these workers here and find out exactly what they have to say about this particular protest.
The immigration authority prevented him from further proceeding.
Okay, all right. So the MDMK workers here coming together and saying that they will continue their agitation. They're saying that, for no reason, with no knowledge whatsoever, Vaiko was detained. He wasn't given any sort of intimation.
All right, Akshita, thanks for joining us for the moment. Waiting for a response from the centre on this issue. More breaking news coming in.